So today we're going to be going over squat form. And so if you tuned in last time for our core activation, we're going to be using that here too. And basically we're just going to use it with our breath. So we're going to exhale as we're squatting. And first I'm going to show you with the goal of the chair. I really like to have that goal so that I go backwards instead of bending too much forward. So I like to have my feet a little wider than my hips. And then I like to have my hands together. You don't have to. You can have them anywhere. And so what you're going to do is inhale and then exhale a little draw in at the belly. Tap your bottom back and stand up. Sit your hips back and stand up. So inhale, exhale. And then what that looks like from the front, it's really important that we keep our knees out in line with our ankles. Sitting back and then up. And then if you don't have your hands like that, and back and up. And then you can even if you have the range, you can get all the way down and back up. It's just important that we keep our backs nice and stable.